Hello, I'm Dr. Howard, and welcome to The Simple Health. Every single day, millions of Americans over 60 drink plenty of plain water, and yet, so many still experience muscle weakness, loss of balance, and the slow decline of sarcopenia. Think about that. All that water flows through the body, but it does little to stop one of the main causes of senior weakness. Now imagine if just one of those cups of water was transformed. What if it carried specific, powerful nutrients proven to help rebuild muscle fibers and restore strength? The difference between a simple sip and a strategic sip could be the difference between walking strong or needing a walker. In this video, I'm going to reveal 8 powerful additions you can stir into your water, counting down from 8 to 1. And I'll also reveal how one common spice, when combined with another, can boost its muscle-protecting power by a staggering 2,000%.
Before we dive in, a quick but very important note from me to you. I'm here to share scientific information and empower you with knowledge, but this is not a substitute for medical advice from your own doctor. Always talk to your personal physician before starting any new supplement or health regimen. This is especially true if you have existing health conditions or take any medications. Think of me as your trusted guide, but your doctor is your personal navigator for your health journey. Now, I love building a community here, so I have a quick question. Where are you watching from today? I'll be scrolling through your answers in the comments, and yes, I reply to as many as I possibly can. One last tip before we begin. When you look for these ingredients, please prioritize high-quality, reputable brands. Look for organic, non-GMO, and third-party tested options where you can. Your body truly deserves the best. All right, let's start our countdown with number 8, a simple, affordable, and powerful ally for your strength. Number 8, fenugreek seeds, soaked overnight. At first glance, these are just tiny golden kernels you might find on a spice shelf. But for those of us over 60, soaking these seeds in water overnight transforms them into a potent health tonic. When soaked, fenugreek releases compounds that studies show can improve your body's insulin sensitivity. This means your muscles can more easily pull sugar from your blood for energy and better absorb nutrients for repair. A clinical trial found that fenugreek supplementation improved strength gains in older adults when combined with resistance training. I had a patient, Abdul, a 68-year-old retired teacher, who was frustrated with weakness in his legs. He started drinking the water from soaked fenugreek seeds each morning. Within a few months, he found he could climb stairs with less strain, and his legs didn't ache like they used to. So, how do you do it? It's incredibly simple. Just soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in a glass of about 8 ounces of water overnight. In the morning, drink the infused water. You can even chew the softened seeds for extra fiber. A quick warning, fenugreek may lower blood sugar, so if you have diabetes, it is crucial to consult your doctor. It can also interact with blood thinners, so a conversation with your physician is absolutely key. Moving on to number 7, an ingredient that takes this muscle-saving effect even further. Number 7, Moringa powder. In many parts of the world, the Moringa tree is called the miracle tree, and for good reason. For seniors, its powdered leaves are like a lifeline for muscle preservation. It's packed with calcium for muscle contraction, iron for oxygen transport, and all 9 essential amino acids. Think of amino acids as the literal bricks your body uses to build and repair muscle tissue. Research found that older women who added Moringa to their diet saw measurable improvements in bone density and energy levels. It fuels protein synthesis while flooding your body with antioxidants that fight the oxidative stress tied to sarcopenia. Let me tell you about Mr. Daniel, a 72-year-old who struggled with a feeling of weakness in his legs. He started mixing a teaspoon of Moringa powder into his morning glass of water. Within 2 months, he had more energy on the stairs and felt less soreness after his evening walks. Here's the practical application. Start with just half a teaspoon of Moringa powder mixed into 8 to 10 ounces of water or a smoothie. You can gradually increase this to 1 teaspoon daily. The taste is a bit green, so mixing it with a little fruit can help. A note of caution: while generally safe, large doses might cause mild digestive upset in some people. And as always, consult your doctor if you are on blood thinners.
Now for number 6, a tiny, often underestimated seed with truly mighty benefits for our muscles. Number 6, chia seeds. These humble little seeds carry a hidden power that we can't afford to overlook as we age. Just 2 tablespoons soaked in water transform into a gel that is packed with complete plant-based protein and healthy omega-3 fats. These nutrients directly help protect against the age-related muscle wasting that can steal our independence. Research shows that regular consumption can lead to improved lean muscle mass and reduced inflammation. The secret is their high content of alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 that helps improve blood flow to working muscles. They also provide a steady, slow-release fuel source, which can reduce muscle breakdown, especially overnight while you sleep. I remember my patient Margaret, 71, who started her day with a glass of chia water. Within weeks, she noticed less cramping in her legs and a surprising return of stamina on her daily walks. Here's how to prepare it. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 10 to 12 ounces of water. Stir it well and let it sit for at least 30 minutes until it forms gel. You can add a splash of lemon for flavor. A word of caution: always ensure you're well hydrated when consuming chia seeds to avoid any digestive issues. And please check with your doctor if you're on blood pressure or blood thinner medications, as chia can sometimes interact with them.
Coming in at number 5, we have a dynamic duo that you probably already have in your spice cabinet. Number 5, turmeric and black pepper. When you hear turmeric, you might think of curry, but when it's mixed with black pepper, it becomes a powerful anti-aging tonic. The golden compound in turmeric, called curcumin, is one of the world's most studied natural anti-inflammatories. But here's the problem. On its own, most of that curcumin passes right through your body without being absorbed. This is where black pepper changes everything. Its active ingredient, piperine, can boost curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. I tell my patients to think of piperine as the special key that unlocks the door, allowing all of curcumin's powerful benefits to get inside your cells. Chronic low-grade inflammation silently eats away at our muscle fibers over the years. This combination directly helps to fight that process. A story that comes to mind is of my patient Gloria, 73, who had given up gardening due to weak legs and aching knees. After starting a warm drink with turmeric and black pepper, she noticed her morning stiffness began to fade away. It wasn't a miracle, but rather science supporting her body's natural ability to heal and regain strength. To prepare this, simply combine a half teaspoon of turmeric powder with a tiny pinch, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, of ground black pepper in warm water or milk. Be mindful, high doses of curcumin can have a blood-thinning effect, so please use caution if you're on anticoagulants. Some people may also experience mild stomach upset, so it's best to start with a small amount.
Let's move on to number 4, an ingredient usually known for helping skin, but with incredible internal benefits for us. Number 4, aloe vera juice. In many cultures, aloe vera juice is a traditional healing drink, and modern science now confirms its power for seniors.
It's packed with antioxidants and special plant compounds called polysaccharides. These compounds help calm the chronic inflammation that contributes to muscle decline and stiffness. I think of Harold, a 72-year-old patient who used to wake up with stiff, achy legs and just thought it was a normal part of getting older. He started drinking a small amount of aloe vera juice before he went to bed each night. And within a few weeks, his legs felt looser in the morning and he had enough energy to start his evening walks again. What we doctors call improved circulation and reduced oxidative load, Harold simply called getting my life back. How to use it? Opt for 100% pure inner leaf aloe vera juice. It is absolutely crucial that it's inner leaf to avoid the strong laxative effects of whole leaf preparations. Start with 2 to 4 ounces, which is about 1/4 to 1/2 cup, daily, preferably on an empty stomach. An important note, this can interact with blood sugar or heart medications, so a discussion with your doctor is essential before you start. If you're enjoying these simple, actionable tips, I'd be so grateful if you'd hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss a video designed to help you build a stronger, healthier future, one simple step at a time.
At number 3, we have a spicy root that is a true medicinal powerhouse for aging bodies. Number 3, ginger extract. For those of us over 60, ginger is much more than a flavor. It's proven to help fight the silent muscle loss of aging. Its active compounds, called gingerols and shogaols, are powerful natural anti-inflammatories. They work to reduce the low-grade inflammation that can accelerate sarcopenia and cause joint pain. One study showed seniors taking ginger extract had improved muscle endurance and reported reduced joint pain. This allowed them to stay active for longer periods, which is the absolute key to maintaining strength as we age. I remember Mrs. Evelyn, a 70-year-old who struggled to climb the stairs in her home without pain. After adding a simple ginger tea to her evenings, her stiffness eased and her confidence in her own mobility returned. Unlike many painkillers that just mask the symptoms, ginger helps to target one of the root causes of the discomfort. For a simple preparation, you can add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of powdered ginger to warm water. Or you can steep 2 to 3 thin slices of fresh ginger root in hot water for a soothing and effective tea. A word of caution: ginger may have a mild blood-thinning effect, so please be careful if you take anticoagulant medications. It can also cause mild heartburn in some sensitive individuals, so it's wise to start with a small amount.
We're almost at the top. At number 2 is a classic health food powder that can supercharge your cells. Number 2, Spirulina powder. This dark green dust is one of the most concentrated natural weapons we have against muscle loss. It's over 60% complete plant protein by weight, providing all the essential amino acids needed to repair muscle fibers. What makes it so powerful for seniors is its richness in iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. These nutrients are critical for improving oxygen delivery to your muscles and boosting your body's energy production. One study found that older adults taking spirulina experienced higher muscle strength and endurance in just 8 weeks. Spirulina also contains a rare antioxidant that is very effective at lowering inflammation throughout the body. I like to tell my patients to think of it as giving your cells a deep clean so they can function more like they did decades earlier. Take my patient George, 74, who struggled with weakness when climbing stairs. After adding spirulina water to his daily routine, his legs felt less heavy. Here's how to use it. Begin with just a half teaspoon of spirulina powder mixed into water, juice, or a smoothie. You can gradually increase this to 1 or 2 teaspoons daily. Its taste is strong, so masking it in a smoothie with banana or pineapple works very well. A quick safety note: individuals with autoimmune conditions should consult their doctor before use, as it can potentially interact with immunosuppressant medications.
And now, for the number 1 addition to your water to help rebuild muscle strength as you age. Number 1. Beetroot powder. This tops my list because it directly tackles one of the biggest challenges for seniors: poor blood flow. Our muscles simply can't get stronger if they aren't getting a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. Beetroot powder is incredibly rich in dietary nitrates, which your body cleverly converts into a compound called nitric oxide. This compound acts as a signal to relax and widen your blood vessels, which dramatically improves your circulation. The result is better oxygen delivery to your muscles, allowing them to repair themselves instead of wasting away. A fascinating study in the Journal of Gerontology found that older adults who drank beetroot juice before exercise actually increased their muscle power by nearly 16%. That is a truly dramatic improvement for anyone who is struggling with feelings of weakness. I remember Edward, 75, who had given up his daily walks because of constant fatigue in his legs. Within a month of adding beetroot powder to his water, he was not only walking again, but his endurance had nearly doubled. His doctor was amazed and called it vascular support in a glass, which I think is a perfect description. Here's the best way to use it. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of beetroot powder into about 8 ounces of water or juice. It's particularly effective when you drink it about 30 to 60 minutes before physical activity, like going for a walk. A quick heads up: beetroot can cause a harmless pink or red color in your urine and stools, so please don't be alarmed if you see that. Also, use caution if you have a history of kidney stones or very low blood pressure, and always discuss it with your doctor first.
So, there you have it. 8 simple, powerful things you can add to a single glass of water each day. Each one could mean the difference between fading muscles and having the strength to live independently and fully. From humble seeds to powerful powders, each one is backed by real science and is easy to add to your daily routine. But I want to be direct with you. Knowing this information isn't enough to make a change. Sarcopenia can be a relentless challenge, but you have the power to act and fight back. You do not have to let inactivity and weakness dictate your future. You can empower yourself with these simple, consistent steps. So I'm asking you, which one of these 8 additions will you try first in your glass of water? Please drop your answer in the comments below. I read them like I read my case notes, and your story might be the inspiration someone else needs to start their journey. And beyond that, I'd love for you to share your simple health tips for staying strong. Your wisdom could change a life. Finally, please don't let this important message stop here. Share this video with a friend or a family member over 60. Share it with someone who might not realize that muscle loss isn't inevitable, but is something we can actively and effectively fight. Thank you so much for watching and for taking this important step toward a stronger, healthier you. Remember, here at The Simple Health, I believe that simple changes can start right after watching a video. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, I want to leave you with a simple reminder to finish your day strong. Please remember to drink plenty of water.